Hey all, it's Denise, and while I'm not in my studio, some of you may know that before I left for my extended little trip, I got into clay. I got into clay with my art pals, my studio pals from Five Art Studio and Gallery, and we discovered a new clay play place in the Arts District of Liberty Station. It is the Creative Academy, and we discovered it, and all of a sudden, clay was brought into our life. So we have been playing every Tuesday and extra days when we can on making clay. This is some of the first pieces that I made. I made a little group with a vase, a couple of vases, and a cool little box, and then some little tester things that I just wanted to see what the brown clay would be like to play with. So, and I used clay transfers on these pieces, and they have been so fun. I never thought I was gonna like clay this much. So I got another idea. I actually didn't get the idea. My clay teacher, mentor, pal, Cremena, suggested I take some of my art pieces and turn them in to clay or remake them in clay. So my days in the clay studio have been creating pieces of clay that go along with pieces of my artwork. And it's been really, really fun. These are specific pieces that I really am attached to. So it was super fun to go ahead and make them, duplicate them in clay. Yeah, I really had fun with this. Of course, I am a beginner, so there's a lot of things to learn and a lot of things that I need to learn. But right now, I'm getting the feel of it and playing with it. And this little cup right there, that was actually made with porcelain instead of clay. So that was a new thing that was added into the clay class. So yeah, it's been pretty fun. I even took one of the piece I just showed you and made it 3D. And I wasn't quite as successful with that, but I did have fun with it. I had fun making it and kind of getting used to making something a little bit more dimensional. And I do like having more sides to play with and to paint. So yeah, it has been super fun. And when I get back from my trip, I'm going to dive back in. I have some ideas that I want to work on. And there is so much more to learn. I am sure any of you out there who have played with clay, who've actually gone beyond playing with it. And I think that's where I want to take this is kind of go beyond playing with clay because I never wanted to do it because I didn't like the feel of clay on my hands, but I got over that real quick. I love the idea of creating 3D items, 3D pieces of art with clay, and I'm gonna play more. So I'm sure I'll be posting more about that in the months to come. And if you have any ideas, if you have anything that you like about clay, or any tips or tricks you want to share, put it down in the comments. I really love that. And while I'm away, it'll give me something to read about and something to stay connected with my YouTube friends. And yeah, thank you so much for being here. And thank you for being patient with my in and out showing up randomly here on my channel. I will be back in mid-December, so not to worry. I'll see you then. I'll see you back here then. And yeah, make it a great week. I'll see you soon.